Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. So kids, yesterday we have started our exercise 9.1 है ना? So we have started doing exercise 9.1 and today we will start from question number 7. Okay? So today we have to do exercise 9.1 and we have to start from question number 7. Okay? Now let us see. Question number 7 we have to do. Now question number 7 is what? Convert the following into gram. So the question is convert the following into gram. Okay. See. 2 kg. Now if you have to convert the 2 kg को gram में if we have to convert, then how we will do that? If we have to convert this 2 kg into gram, see, first line is what? 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, now okay, now 2 kg is equals to 2 kg is equals to how much? 2 into 1000 gram. So if 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, 2 kg is equals to 2000 grams. Okay, now 2 into 1000 gram. Let's see, 1000 gram multiply by 2. So if you have to multiply 2 with 1000, we'll get 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 1. So our answer is 2000 gram. Okay. So 2 kg, question was 2 kg. So if 1 kg equals to 1000 gram, है ना? 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now 2 kg equals to 2 multiply by 1000. So 2 multiply by 1000 you will get 2000 gram. You will get how much? 2000 gram you will get. Okay. Fine. Note it down. Then we will move toward the next question. Just write it down. Yes. Note down this question. Fine. Let us move toward the next one. Next question is 6 kg. Question number 8 is 6 kg. Now 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 6 kg equals to, if 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, then 6 kg is equals to 6 into 1000 gram. Now 6 into 1000, how much you will get? How much you will get if you will multiply 6 with 1000? gram. Okay, so you will get 6000 gram. 6 kg, 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 6 kg equals to 6 into 1000, 6000 gram. Okay, good. Come on. Come on, do this. Completed? Okay. Now moving toward the next question, question number 9. Now let us do question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is 9 kg. 9 kg. Now convert 9 kg. Come on. Do the conversion. Come on, convert 9 kg. Completed? Okay. So, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now what we have to convert? We have to convert 9 kg. Okay, so 9 kg is equals to 9 into 1000 gram equals to, come on, do the multiplication and tell me the answer. Come on, do it. Yes, do the multiplication and tell me the answer. Okay. So 9 into 1000 you will get 9000 gram. 9000 gram. Okay. 9 kg equals to 9000 gram. This much is clear? Okay. So now, up to now 3 questions we have done. In all those 3 questions you must have noticed that only kg part was given. है ना? Only kg part was given in those 3 questions. Now, next we are going to take such question where along with kg part, gram part will also be given. Okay? So we are going to take some question where along with kg part, gram part is also given. Okay? So we have completed this. Moving toward the next. Okay, moving toward the next question. Next question is 3 kg 585 gram. Question number 10 is 3 kg and 585 gram. Now do this question yourself. I have explained this question several times. Come on, do this question yourself. Completed? Come on, do this. Okay, let us do the answer. So, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Here I am having 3 kg 585 gram. 3 kg 585 gram equals to 3 kg plus 585 gram. What does it mean? It means that 3 kg 585 gram में क्या है हमारे पास? We are having 3 kg and we are having 585 gram. Okay, two of these things are here with us. Now 3 kg 585 gram. What we will do? This 585 gram. This 5 gram is already given in gram. So what we will do? If it is already given in gram, what next we can do? We will convert this 3 kg. So let us convert this 3 kg. How we will convert this 3 kg? By multiplying it with 1000. So 3 into 1000 gram plus 585 gram. Okay? 3 into 1000 gram plus 585 gram. 3 into 1000. 3000 gram plus 585 gram. Okay. Now 3000 plus 585 gram. Add these two together. 5853. So our answer is what? 3585 gram. Our answer is 3585 gram. Come on. Note it down. Yes, come on, note it down. Completed? Come on, note it down. Okay, moving toward the next question. So the next question we are having here is 2 kg 600 gram. 2 kg 600 gram. Question number 11. We are going to do question number 11. Question number 11 is 2 kg 600 gram. Come on, solve this question. Yes, solve this question. Come on. Okay. Now see, our first line will remain the same. That says 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So that line will remain the same. That is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now 2 kg 600 gram equals to 2 into 1000 gram or 2 kg plus 600 gram. 2 kg plus 600 gram. Okay. Into 1000 gram, what we will do? We will convert this to kg. 2 into 1000 gram plus 600 gram. Okay. Now 2 into 1000 gram, how much you will get? 2 into 1000 gram, you will get 2000 gram and plus 600 gram. Let us do it here. So we have to add this 2000 gram plus 600 gram. 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 and 2. So our answer is 2600 gram. Our answer is 2600 gram. Note it down. Okay. Completed? Okay. So I am going to erase and we will move toward the next question this time. Now I am going to start our next question, that is question number 12. Question number 12 is a bit technical question. This question states 5 kg 35 gram. 5 kg 35 gram. Now come on, convert it. 5 kg 35 gram. What you have to do? First you will convert that for 5 kg and then 35 gram उसमें हम क्या कर देंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. Come on, do it and show me the answer. Come on, do it. Five kg 35 gram. It is 2. Come on. One kg equals to 1000 gram. See, this line you have to write every time. Whenever you will convert, this line you have to write 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Now, 5 kg 35 gram equals to 5 kg plus 35 gram. Okay. 5 kg plus 35 gram. Now 5 into 1000 gram. If we convert कर दिया, and what we will add? We will add just 35 gram here. 5 into 1000 gram, how much you will get? 5000 gram plus 35 gram. So together you will get 5000, okay, plus 35. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 and 5. So our answer is 5035 gram. Note it down. Completed? Come on, note it down fast. Okay. So here we have done conversion of kilogram to gram. Now the next question that we are going to start is question number 16, and there you have to convert the gram units into kilogram and gram. Okay, so let us start. I am going to erase the board. Okay. Now, question is convert into kilogram and gram. Now, how we have to do this question? Let us write down the question first. So, the first question is, that means question number 16 is 8000 gram. Here we are having 8000 gram. ठीक है? 8000 gram. तो मैम ने कैसे सिखाया? Right side से 3 number what you will do is you will separate from the rest of the number. So first of all, what you will do? Make two blanks. One is for kg and the other one is for gram. Okay, one is for kg and the other one is for gram. So once you will make these two heading, now right say 3, what you will do? You will separate. So 3 0 is 1 2 3. So here we are having only 3 0 and the number at 1000 place is 8. So our answer is 8 kg 000 gram, or we can write 8 kg, only 8 kg, because 0 gram have no value, so only 8 kg we can write. Okay. Now next question, that means question number 17 is 2200 gram. So first thing what you will do? First of all, make two blanks, kg and then at a distance gram, kg and gram. Okay. Now Right side 1, 2, 3. 3 number you will separate. So separating 3 number you will get 200 gram. So here you will write 200 gram and the left and the number you are left with is 2. So our answer is 2 kg and 200 gram. Come on, note it down. Completed? Okay. So I'm going to erase the board now. Next question is question number 18. Next question is question number 18. Question number 18 is 7,835 gram. 7,835 gram. Now come on, do the conversion. Yes, do the conversion. Come on. And the other question that you have to do is question number 20. Question number 20 is 5018 gram. The question which I am leaving right now, for example question number 13, 14 and 15 and question number 19. Those questions you have to do yourself. Come on, solve these questions right now. Completed? First of all, what we will do? We will make two blanks. So let us make two blanks. First blank and the second blank. Here we will write kg and this here we will write gram. Now we are having 7,835 gram. Okay, 7,835 gram. What we will do? We will separate these three numbers. So 835 gram you will get, and we are left with 7. We are left with here 7. So our answer is 7 kg 835 gram. 7 kg and 835 gram. Okay. Now similarly we have to do question number 20. Come on, solve question number 20. First of all, make two columns or two headings, kg and gram. Conversion of kilogram, conversion into kilogram and gram is very easy. All you have to do is to make two blanks. That's it. Nothing else. So what? 018 we are having. So 018 is equals to 18. So we will write 18 gram. Now here I am having 5. Now our answer is 5 kg 18 gram. Okay, our answer is 5 kg and 18 gram. Come on, note it down. So kids, this is it for today. We have done our exercise 9.1 today, and from the next class we will start addition of kilogram and gram. Okay.